Dear friends, welcome to this question that we're supposed to be going through together. Usually, I encourage you to pause the video, you try and solve it. Okay? That is what I do. Most of the times, I try to encourage you to do that. Yeah? This is Mathematics, Grade 9, Paper 2 of 2024. Examinations Council of Zambia exams. Okay? So we are going to question 4. As you may be aware that we already did some questions. So I want you to do this question. Let us start from here. This is matrices. And this question carried 2 marks, as you can see. We need to multiply these 2 matrices. We express them as a single matrix. So how do we multiply matrices? If in fact you may also wish to know this 2 by 2, and then this one is a what? This one is a 2 by 1 matrix. So the final answer is going to take the first one and the last one. So it is going to be a 2 by 1. I mean the order of the final answer. That is maybe a clue that you may just need to have. So how do we multiply matrices? It's a row by a column. Row by a column, what I mean, it will be 3 by 3 plus negative 2 by 2. Okay, this row and this column, it's done. So I'll need to come to the second row, and then by the same column here. So it will be 1 by 3 plus negative 4 by 2. If you go further, this is going to give you 9 plus negative 4, and then this will give you 3 plus negative 8. If you want to take this further, it will be just the same thing as 9 minus 4, then 3 minus 8. And then finally you are going to end up with the 5, then negative 5 as our answer. Now let us go to this question that I told you that we should be doing. So when you look at this question here, the following diagram is a polygon, as you could see here. But what is the question? The question is express the sum of the angles of the polygon in terms of x and y in its simplest what? So what we're supposed to do here is to add all these angles here. Add all these angles and equate them to the sum of interior angles of this polygon. So what is this polygon? This is a 6-sided polygon. So we need to look at express the sum of. So what is the sum here? The sum here, we are going to be saying we add all these, which will be 3. I'll get those that go with x first of all. This is 3x plus 4x. Then we have 5y plus 4y. This is 90 here, as well as this is 90. So 90 plus 90, what do we get? This is 180 degrees. I have added those in advance. So then here we need to find the sum here. What is the sum of a hexagon? So we are saying the formula is this one here. This is the number of sides. This is the number of sides. So when you put 6 here, this has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you put 6 here, you have 4 minus this one, you have 720. All right, you have 720. Then now it's a question of just simplifying this one. You have 7x plus 9y is equals to 720 minus 180 degrees. Okay, you know this grade 9 you do it without calculators, right? Okay, so what is the final answer here? For those of you that may need the lessons with us, I'll give you my number just after this so that you may contact us. Then we begin to teach you one-on-one, that is online, regardless of where you are. So this is 7x plus 9y is equals to, what do you get here? Whatever you are going to be getting here, you put it. That will be the answer, like the final answer, because all they are saying here is that you are expressing the sum of the angles of the polygon in terms of in its simplest form. That is why we had to simplify it like this. Coming to the story that I told you, this is my number in case you may need lessons. Or this is 673809. You can as well get in touch with Mr. Piri in case mine becomes a challenge. 56 58 then 76. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to share and subscribe.